Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make sautéed clams in black bean sauce. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Fresh local Manila clams from BC. Soak in water for half an hour. Soak black beans in water for 10 minutes. Then measure other ingredients. Red chili pepper, cooking wine, soy sauce, sugar, chicken powder. Boil a pot of water, then add the clams in. Cook at medium-low heat for 1 minute. This will remove sand inside clams. Pour the clams out and drain well. Heat up a wok or pan, then add oil. Add ginger and shallots. Sauté briefly, then add garlic. Add black beans, then sauté at medium heat until fragrant. Turn to high heat, then add clams and sauté. Add cooking wine, sauté for a few seconds. Add seasonings now, then sauté. Add diced red chili pepper and sauté until the clams are evenly coated with sauce and all open up, which means they are fully cooked. Scoop out. Let me try a piece. Very tasty. The easy and yummy sautéed clams in black bean sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!